welcome or welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you where is the settings icon in Yahoo Mail. So if you are using Yahoo Mail in your PC, you will have to first of all come on yahoo.com, and over here you need to click on this mail icon. Afterwards, you need to just log in into your Yahoo Mail account, and the interface of Yahoo Mail will look something like this. So if you are not familiar with this interface, let me tell you that now Yahoo Mail is in this type of interface, and you will no longer be able to use the classic mode. So here you will see this settings icon that is in the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to click on this option, and from here you can just use the settings. If you want to get into more settings, click on the more settings option, and then you will be landed on this page where you can change your Yahoo Mail's appearance and a bunch of other things. Now if you want to find the settings of your Yahoo Mail in your mobile device, you will have to simply launch Yahoo Mail app, and in your app you will see your profile icon in the top left hand corner. So you need to simply click on your profile icon, and here you will see the settings icon. So once you click on settings, you will be able to access all of your settings. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.